guys, welcome back to the show. Today, I just want to talk about imposter syndrome in the tech industry. Now, imposter syndrome is when you think that you're not good enough, that you don't deserve to be where you are, even if you've earned it. You get stuck in your head that everyone else is better than you. And this mostly happens to junior and developers when they join a team. They look at everyone works really well, but they struggle to do even the basic stuff. And this is basically due to the fact that they are new and they just joined a new team. And that is what I'm trying to get across to people who join a new team. When you join a new team, it takes time for you to understand how the team works. It takes time for you to understand the code base that the team is working on. And because it takes time, you might not be able to work or be most efficient on the project when you initially join. When you initially join a project, it takes time for you to understand the code base. It takes time for you to know how things work before you can be 80%, 90% efficient on a project. And that is how it is. So if you join a new team as a junior developer, you shouldn't worry about imposter syndrome. You shouldn't worry that you're not good enough because you do the minimum stuff in the team. It takes time. Once you've picked up the skills, once you've had an idea of how the different components that make up your project, how they work, you become more efficient. So if you're a junior developer and you join a team, you join a company, you join any project, just take your time. Don't worry about being 100% because you will never be 100%. It takes time to get everything across. Don't look at other people in your project because they've been on the project for years and they know how things work in the team, things work on the project. When you join, don't worry, don't look at them. You need to focus on your qualities, right? You need to understand that you got the job because you were good enough. You passed the tech test, you did well to earn the spot. You deserve the spot, that's why you got it. Do you know what I mean? So you shouldn't worry about what other people are saying or what other people are doing in your team. Just focus on your skills and try to get better at what you do. If you're using Python, Ruby, Java, whatever language, Scala, just try to learn that. Take that downtime as an opportunity to pick up new skills, learn the tools that will enable you to get better at your job. But now, when you start learning those tools, as time goes by, when you start working on small tickets, you will develop your skills, you develop your ability to know how the project works, and then you can work more efficiently and contribute more to the team. But when you start, remember you need to take your time. Okay, so imposter syndrome, everyone has it. Everyone has suffered from imposter syndrome before when they join the team because you do the most minimum stuff, and even it feels like you're struggling to do the minimum stuff. It's not your fault. It happens to everyone. It's like learning to walk. You fall down sometimes. That's how it is when you join a new team. So don't worry about the imposter syndrome. Whoever is out there watching me, just focus on your skills. Try to get better. Drink a lot of water and just be happy. Live your life. Learn each day, and you will be just fine. That is what I wanted to say today. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.